Army deployed in Guruve serial killer hunt. The Zimbabwean government has deployed the army into Guruve as the security forces intensify a manhunt for a suspected serial killer following a string of brutal murders that have terrorized the district. Sana pena mashikobdanyi watching the soldiers finally deployed in Guruve. Don't forget to subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipita mzim ayamobdanyi kwa mchinsi. At least 12 people, including children, have been murdered in the Guruve area in recent weeks. Security sources confirm that 8 of the killings are directly linked to Animal Zvicha 32, who is believed to be operating with a group of accomplices. Toenda pahindo ya CH Mkunu wanaposa this video ramuri kuona remasoja obdanyira chiti. The Zimbabwean government is deployed the army to help capture a suspected serial killer in Mozambique 32. The deployment marks a significant escalation by the state, with the soldiers now working alongside police to comb rural villages, conduct roadblocks, and secure high-risk zones as authorities move to contain what has become one of the most disturbing crime sprees in the area in recent years. Residents have reported a heavy military presence with armed troops seen moving through villages and surrounding bushland. As the operation expands, the move comes amid widespread fear and a growing public pressure after repeated killings without early arrest. Authorities say investigations remain ongoing and have urged members of the public to cooperate with the security forces by providing any information that may assist in locating the suspects. The video accompanying this development was recorded by Cleopas Mkunugwa, showing soldiers actively deploying in the affected area as the hunt for the suspects intensifies. The situation in Guruve remains tense, with the communities on edge as security operations continue. Toma developments aripo panawe ku Guruve. Pena comment section medu za fungo engo tudi pamzuri pichitu kwichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.